Hello everyone, today we will introduce how to use a remote control to control a 3D toy device. This is the power on and power off buttons. This is the next song and previous song buttons. This is the angle adjustment button. This is the playback mode. On the left is a single loop, and on the right is a sequential loop. Here are the play and pause buttons. This is the brightness adjustment button. On the left is the brightness increase button, and on the right is the brightness decrease button. My introduction is over. Thank you all. Hello everyone, now let me show you how to control a 3D toy device through Android phone. First, we enter the app and click on Match More Devices to enter the Bluetooth management interface. Find 3D toy and click on it for Bluetooth pairing. After pairing is completed, return to the app interface. Next, click the refresh button to display the Bluetooth device that was just paired. Then click the connect button. At this point, our app and device are connected. We can click on the video icon to specify the playback of the video. Then, we can also click on control buttons such as next song, previous song, play, pause, play mode, etc. Then, we can click the power off and power on buttons to control the device. Next, we can upload a video to explain that the upload function is currently only available for Android phones, and we may open the upload function for iPhone phones in the future. That's all for today's introduction. Thank you all. Hello everyone, today we will demonstrate how to upload videos through a computer. First, we will remove the TF card from the machine and insert the card reader into the computer. Let's check if the computer has recognized the USB drive. Next, when operating computer software, we need to ensure that we have obtained administrator privileges to set it up like this. Check the options for Run Program in Compatibility Mode and Run Program as Administrator. Or select Run as Administrator when starting. After the program starts, we select the corresponding model, such as H14. Warning, if the model does not match, the displayed screen will be garbled. Next, we will select the videos we need to upload. We support selecting multiple videos at once. Next, we need to select the directory for the converted video output. Since we have inserted a USB drive, the program will automatically prioritize displaying the path of the USB drive. If the directory is correct, we only need to verify it. Next are some advanced features that allow us to rotate, transform, and perform other operations on the video. For example, we can rotate this video. Finally, we just need to click the conversion button. We can view the generated video in the USB drive directory. We see that a new video called 15bin has been generated. Next, we will eject the USB flash drive. Simply insert the TF card into the device to start playing. Thank you all for watching.